dear goon friends. How have you been? Hope you are fine. And I'm welcoming you for another tutorial. For the new members, please support my channel, subscribe, like, share and comment. You're all welcome. And for today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can fix incoming call problem. Maybe you have a phone or your Android phone has a problem where when someone calls you, it does not display the incoming calls. Now, that is there now. For you to fix this problem, the first thing that you can look at your phone. If it is on do not disturb mode, you swipe your phone on the upper part, you swipe it downwards like that. Then try to look at this page. When you look at this page, you may notice that you cannot see do not disturb mode. You can swipe the second page and you get it there. If it is on, it will be like this. And when your phone is on do not disturb, you will not receive any notification from either SMSs or phone calls. So look at your phone. If it is on do not disturb, please tap to turn off this mode. If this one is not helping you, if your problem still continues, the phone continues not to display, it is not displaying the incoming calls, try this another method. You just go to phone app and look at the notifications if they are on or off. So you just open you just go to your settings, your phone settings. You scroll down to apps, you tap, then scroll down to get the phone app. You scroll until you get the app. It is this one. Then you tap to open. Look at the notifications. Make sure that the notification icon is always on. If it is off, this may be the cause of the problem where your phone is not displaying the incoming calls. Make sure the icon is on. If this one does not help you, still on the app, try to clear cache. Tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. Tap here to clear. Again, you can test whether your phone will display the incoming calls. If still not displaying, you can clear the data of this app. You just tap on clear data. You know that this will delete permanently the files and the settings and the accounts. So you just need to click OK if your problem will not be solved with the previous steps. Then if you perform these all steps and still the problem continues, it is here now You go to the last step where you can just go to Play Store and download Google Phone app or any Diora app on Play Store. On my phone I have this one, it is known as Diora. It is already in my phone, you can see this one already installed. You can install it. After installing it, you have to accept all the conditions, and you have something like this. Then when you install it and accepting all the terms of the app, your app will look like this. But finally, for your app to function well, you just go to settings again, go to apps, look at the app that you have installed, the Diora app. You tap on it and set it as a default. Set as default. You just tap there and you set it as a default app for receiving calls. And when you try all these means, all these processes, your problem will be solved. Your phone will try to display, will start displaying incoming calls. That is all about for tutorial today. Thank you for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, those who are watching, those who are listening. Please support my channel. Just subscribe, share with your friends, comment, and you help my channel grow. Thank you all. We'll meet again with the similar tutorial. So if you are liking my tutorial, for you not to miss any tutorial that I post on my channel, you can turn on the bell for you to be notified anytime I post a similar tutorial. Thank you for today. Enjoy your day. Bye.